Today we're baking cornbread
from scratch.
This
is a pretty simple recipe. All we need for it is 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and a little bit more to grease our pan. 1 cup of cornmeal, 3/4 a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, 2 large lightly beaten eggs, and 1.5 cups of buttermilk. So our first step is going to be preheating the oven to 425 degrees.
And once you're done preheating the oven, get a little bit of extra butter and butter the pan. Okay, actually come.
So
there you go. I won't do it this time, I promise.
So the first thing we're going...
Okay, last one. First we're gonna want to mix in the cornmeal, flour, sugar, salt, corn soda,
baking powder, and the baking soda. Once you've mixed in all the solids, now you're going to want to put in all the liquids. The buttermilk, the eggs, and the butter.
Once you've mixed both of the ingredients, you're going to want to mix them together.
So like I said, this really is a simple recipe. Once you've mixed those together, just put them in the pan, in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and you're good to go. Alright, so the cornbread is ready and now it's time to try it.
This tastes like nothing. I could eat it all day. But like, why?
So, now that we've tried it, we're ready to give our review. So it was a really good recipe, but personally I liked it to be a little bit sweeter than it was. It didn't have too much flavor to me. If you're gonna have it as a side, then it's perfect. But if you're gonna have it as a standalone, you're definitely gonna want to add double, maybe even triple the amount of sugar that it currently has. That's all we have for today. Goodbye.
Yeah.